Another another universe download. Yes, nanaginip ako. And guess what? Sinong napanaginipan ko? Ang pinakasikat na Kapampangan vlogger, Mac Mariano. Yes, we came from the same high school, San Pablo II High School. Yes, 4th year high school siya noon. First year ako. Nakasama ko siya sa mga quiz bee, mga contest sa school. And very popular na kasi siya sa school bee since before student council. Anyway, yung panaginip ko sa kanya is nasa Baguio kami. And it was so beautiful. The house is made of brick, owned by Chinese people. And then pumasok si Mac. Actually, second part na to. Yung first part kasama ko yung sister ko. I-share ko din yan. Pero dito sa part 2 kasi, dito na pumasok si Mac Mariano. Okay? Pumasok siya and then, syempre pa-picture ako, no? Pa-picture. Kasama ko sister ko and mama ko. And hindi kami masyadong nasatisfy. So, lumabas kami. Naghanap kami ng mga teenager na kukuha ng pictures. Siyempre, Gen Z magaling mag-take ng photos. On our way, walking there, naglalakad kami. Siyempre, I had the feeling na i-entertain ko siya, diba? Kasi siyempre, he's been entertaining a lot of us. Sabi ko, pinapanood ko yung mga popular videos mo. Naalala ko yung pinakasikat year, Kapampangan, when, diba? Tinanong ko kung anong state siya, saan state siya nakatira sa US. So, parang, nagmumble siya, pero hindi niya sinagot yung tanong ko. And then, I fired another question. Excuse me. Sabi ko, naalala ko yung isang video mo na dinalaw mo yung mga in-laws mo, mga magulang ng husband niya. Tapos, parang, nanahimik siya, hindi niya sinasagot yung tanong ko. And then yun na, pero, grabe yung energetic niya, yung aura niya sa video, sa gym ko. Tapos, nakapag-picture na kami. After nun, binayaran ko pa ng 50 and 20 pesos yung mga teenager. Tapos biglang nawala si Mac. Ngayon, what is the universe download here? Okay, anong sinasabi ng panaginip ko? Okay, I assess it based sa knowledge ko, tsaka sa pagkakaintindi ko and my intuition. Okay, I'm just sharing it to you, baka makarelate ka. This is my universe download, okay? When you are elevating spiritually, just like Mac Mariano, ang dami niya nang napapasaya, di ba? Mas marami nang tumitingin sa kanya. Nagiging popular siya, di ba? He's in social media, of course. When you are elevating spiritually, kasi tinatanong ko yung sarili ko, bakit hindi niya sinasagot yung mga tanong ko sa panaginip ko? Okay? When you are elevating spiritually, you have to drop unnecessary things sa buhay mo for you to elevate. Why do you have to do that? Because you have to save your energy for bigger things. Kasi the universe is telling you to choose that part where you can influence more people. Mas maraming tao ang mapapasaya mo or matutulungan mo just being you. You have to go bigger. You have to be that bigger cup that can hold more. Okay? When you are elevating spiritually, when you ask the universe or you ask God, Allah, whoever is your God, your higher self, the source, when you ask something na gusto mo ng mas kalidad na buhay, mas magandang buhay, then you have to get ready. Prepare that you're gonna hold something bigger. You have to prepare yourself. So, drop the unnecessary things. For example, okay, I'll give you an example sa akin. Okay, in my case, I'm working, I'm dealing with my editor. nasa phone ako, kausap ko siya, may nag-pop up distraction sa social media. Interesado ako. Imbes na nakafocus ako dun sa work and with my editor, na-hook ako sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa TikTok, sa YouTube, sa isang video. All of a sudden, 1 hour later, wala na. Naubos yung isang oras ko. Kaka-social media. Is that a definition of someone ready to hold something bigger? No. Okay? Kailangan kong tanggalin yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa akin para papunta dun sa buhay na gusto ko. Okay? I have to drop things. Yung kahit ayoko, kahit nasa sistema ko na hino-hold ko siya, no, kailangan ko to. No. No. When you are elevating spiritually, you have to think, act, speak, do the things that will elevate you if you really want it. Unless you're just gonna be in the loop. Hanggat hindi ka natututo, ibabalik ng universe ang mga pagsubok na yan sa'yo. Okay? I'm telling you, even Mac Mariano, he had to do this. I'm 100%. He needs to drop a lot of things in his life to be able to step higher. You ask for something, act with it. That's manifesting. When you do your best, then the universe will do the rest. Let it go. Let the unseen work. Let the magic. Let the universe do the magic for you. Yes.